We begin tonight with that breaking news. A split verdict in the trial of a Waukesha County school bus driver accused of sexually assaulting young girls on his bus route.
A jury finding Thomas Felser guilty of 8 out of the 11 counts.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Thomas Felser, guilty of repeated sexual assault of a child as charged in count 1 of the information, not guilty of sexual misconduct by school staff as charged in count 2 of the information.
The clerk reading the verdict after the jury deliberated for nearly 5 hours.
12 News' Hannah Hilliard is live at the Waukesha County Courthouse tonight. And Hannah, you were in the room as that verdict came down.
I was, Blake, and it was standing room only in that courtroom here late this afternoon. That jury coming to, as you mentioned, a somewhat mixed verdict, but ultimately finding the 63-year-old bus driver guilty of the most severe charges he faced. The families of these young victims inside the courtroom overcome with emotion as they are walking out of the courthouse here today. Bus driver Thomas Felser.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Thomas Felser, guilty of repeated sexual assault of a child.
Found guilty on 8 of the most serious charges he faced after a Waukesha County jury deliberated for 5 hours Thursday. The longtime Pewaukee school district teacher turned bus driver, convicted of sexually assaulting 4 young girls, the oldest 6, the youngest 4 years old.
This case was built off evidence. Evidence about how Thomas Felser, a school bus driver who was entrusted with the safety of the students on his bus, instead preyed on those very students.
In their closing arguments, the state summarized bus surveillance footage the jury saw throughout the 3 days of testimony, showing instances of Felser touching the victims. One of the videos shows the 63-year-old alone with one of the girls, her mother showing up after tracking her daughter's bus app.
Defense may ask you to doubt. But doubt what? Your eyes?
The defense trying to cast doubt in that surveillance footage.
You can believe his decision-making was inappropriate in some of those instances, but inappropriate is not illegal.
The court reading the jury's verdict just before 4 Thursday, guilty on 8 of the 11 counts he faced.
We are very satisfied with the jury's verdict. We are thankful of the time and attention that the jury has taken in evaluating this case. We're very thankful for the investigators from the Village of Pewaukee Police Department, and really we're thankful for how brave these girls have been in this process.
And Hannah, we understand Felser is facing a lengthy sentence here.
He is, Blake. Given his age and the severity of his conviction, he could very likely spend the rest of his life behind bars. Ultimately, that decision now in the hands of the judge with sentencing. That hearing is scheduled for July.
All right, Hannah here leading us off from Waukesha tonight here at 5. Thanks, Hannah.